All right, welcome back. For our next installment in polynomial arithmetic, we are going to multiply this trinomial times this binomial. This is a trinomial because it has 3 terms. This is a binomial because it has 2 terms. Generically, those are both called polynomials. Poly just stands for many, or any number that you have. So here's a polynomial times a polynomial. All right. We're going to use the distributive property just like we do for any of these multiplication problems. Each of the terms inside this polynomial has to be multiplied by each of the terms in that one. And then we add up all of those products. Okay, so you don't have to do what I'm about to do, but I do it so that I don't lose track of what I've done and forget to take a step, which will get me the wrong answer. Okay, so I'm going to underline the things I'm doing. I'm going to multiply 3x squared times 6x. 3 times 6 is 18. X squared times x is x cubed. Then I'm going to multiply this first term by my second term, negative 5. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. X squared is still a factor, so negative 15x squared. Now I'm done with this first monomial because it's been multiplied by both of those. I don't have to come back to it anymore. We're going to go to the next one. Negative 4x times 6x is negative 24x squared. Negative 4x, oh, and I want to underline this or I won't, right? So negative 4x times 6x, that was this term. Now negative 4x times negative 5. Negative times a negative is a positive. 20x. I'm done with that term. It's been multiplied by each of these. Then I go to my last term. 1 times 6x is 6x. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. Notice, I have 2 underlines under each of these monomials. That is because each of them has to be multiplied by 2 different terms. Over here, these each have 3 underlines. The reason is each of those terms is being multiplied by the 1, 2, 3 different terms of our trinomial. Okay? So when I'm done, I should have the number of underlines in here that corresponds to the number of terms in my other polynomial, and vice versa. All right, so now I've got this new polynomial. It's a big long mess. We want to combine anything that's the same type of term. So we look at the exponent, and we see that there's only one term in here that has x cubed, so it can't be combined with any of the others, so we'll leave it alone. 18x cubed. We have x squared here. We have more x squareds. So we're going to have to combine those. We've got negative 15 minus 24 is negative 39 x squareds. Okay, so we've taken care of this. We've taken care of those 2. And now we have x's and x's. Those can be combined. 20 plus 6 is 26. Those are taken care of. And then I still have negative 5 wholes. It can't be combined with anything. There are no other wholes. So here's our solution to this multiplication problem in standard form. When we multiply, we get 18x cubed minus 39x squared plus 26x minus 5, and we're done.